if you're looking to avoid payment blocks on Steam, there are several steps you can take to ensure smooth transactions. Follow these steps to minimize the risk of encountering issues in the future. Step 1. Keep your payment information updated. Regularly check and update your payment methods in your Steam account. Ensure that your credit card or payment service details are current and valid to prevent any transaction failures. Step 2. Use a reliable payment method. Choose a payment method that is widely accepted and has a good reputation. Credit cards and PayPal are generally safer options, as they offer buyer protection and are less likely to be flagged for suspicious activity. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication 2FA on your Steam account. This adds an extra layer of security and can help prevent unauthorized access, which may lead to payment blocks. Step 4. Avoid frequent changes to payment methods. Limit the frequency of changing your payment methods. Frequent changes can trigger security alerts, leading to temporary blocks on your account. Stick to one or two reliable payment options. Step 5. Monitor your account activity. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of facing payment blocks on Steam in the future. Stay proactive and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.